Hello, everybody. It is Mr. Odom, and we're going to work out problem number 28 from section 6.4. Make sure you got all the goods right here, all the good stuff, pencil, composition book, or notebook, paper, and your calculator. The learning target for this video is I can use the percent equation to solve percent word problems. We've done this quite a few times. I like this problem. It's pretty challenging, and I like how it makes me think. It makes my brain go, woohoo, woohoo. All right, so that was weird. In a survey, a group of students were asked their favorite sport. 18 students chose other sports. That's probably important. So in this part of the pie, that would be 18 students chose that part. We could also figure out what's the percentage, what percent do those students represent? Why? Because we already have the other two parts of the pie chart. So let's figure that out. So I know for a pie chart represents 100%. So I just need to subtract 40%, subtract 37.5%. So that'll give me the value that goes in there. So this equals, jump on calculator, and I get that and do this and carry the 7 and multiply. No, and I get 22.5%. So 22.5% would go there. All right, that's where we go. Let's move the arrow. Let's move this stuff. There we go, 22.5%. So those are the other students. So could we figure out the total number? Yes, we can. How can we do that? With these two values right here. All right, so for part A, let's see how we can do that. So there's part A. I am going to use the percent equation, and in this percent equation, it says how many students participated. I want to know the total number of students that participated, so I must have to find the whole. All right. I know that 18 students represent 22.5% of the whole, so 18 would be a part. That's 18 students, and that is 22.5. So I have to write that as a decimal times W. Okay. Can I figure this out? Can I figure this out? Yes, you can. I divide by 0.225. Divide this side by 0.225 using that division property of equality. And I have 18 divided by 0.225. And my answer is 80. After this cancels, so I can get W by itself. So total students, there are 80 students total. Okay. 80 students total, 18 have their favorite sport something other than America's pastime, which is fine. They're allowed to do that. And then let's see, how many chose football? Well, guess what? I know the percent that chose football, that would be P. I know the total, I know the whole, so I should be able to find the part. So let me write down the formula. I know football that represented, that was 37.5% of the students chose football, so I write that as a decimal. I know the whole is 80. So I take 80 times 0.375, put that in my calculator, and A equals 30 students. So 30 students out of the 80, like football is their favorite sport, and then 40 students, which would be 32, by the way, like baseball. So there you go. That's it. That's all you got to do. No problems, no worries. All right. You guys have a good day. It's Mr. Odom, and I am out.